how to remove the black edge from artboards in Illustrator. You can see the black lines beneath the images. You can also see the black lines beneath the various shapes that have been added, such as the star. Those black lines can be slightly annoying. You may want to remove them. Well, how do you go about doing that? Unfortunately, you can't change the colour of the black line. You can't make it red or green or blue. But what you can do, you can hide them. You can see now the artboards there. Just quickly show you, I've got a couple of artboards. Go to the View menu and what? It's not available. Select a different tool, not the Artboard tool. Go to the View menu and hide Artboards. The hide command hides the artboards. As simple as that. Then when you go back, no artboards. Well, the artboards are still there, but no black lines. Go to the Navigator panel. You can still see the artboards in the Navigator, as well as the black lines. Removing the artboards, not displaying them, means that you can work freely without worrying about the artboards, but they're still there and still can be used and tweaked at a later point. You can go to the File and Export for Screens and still see the artboards. You can bring them back at any time via the View menu and Show Artboards. Hope you found this of interest. Please subscribe. Also, please add some comments, a dislike or like. Thank you much.